Let's eat.
Standing the light, positive vision fuels my fight. No need for poison, no need for pain. The straight edge anthem is my refrain. It's my refrain. Judgment or pointing a hand. It's about building a better land. Choices made with love and care. A hardcore heart ready to share. Rise above the haze, stand in the light.